No.
That's
It's never enough. I need more catnip.
self-control.
I don't even know what that means. I can quit whenever I want. This is the best day of my life. Just give me a second. No, you're not the boss of me. Hey, no, stop. Look, let me eat my meal in peace. Don't make me go to the claws. Here comes the claws. Here it comes.
There's 3 of you. One of you get him. He's cleaning himself. The little baby is cleaning himself. And are you kidding me? Nothing? Oh my God, gross. What do I do? You little man. Don't hurt him. Don't hurt him. Mom's gonna kill me for using this. Well, now you go after him. Oh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Now you go after him because he's trapped? You're a bully. Stop. What do I do with him?